Time. It's the next frontier. No, this isn't a Star Trek intro. This is an introduction to a different way of thinking, of how you see time. Through the ages, time has always been looked at from a perspective of three different outlooks: the past, the present, and the future. The past is what you left behind yesterday, and the future is what your actions in the present set into motion for tomorrow. And then there is the present. What is the present? Consciousness, or life in general, is experiencing being alive right now. You will only ever experience the present, the right now. Tomorrow will be the present when you're experiencing it multiple times throughout the day. Yesterday will only ever be experienced once, because your consciousness has already experienced it. You are only ever going to experience the right now. And right now again, and right now. Time is a funny way of saying that our consciousness is going to experience something, or has experienced something once before. If the universe was stuck inside of a bubble, just a normal circular bubble, and all the laws of this universe were also confined inside of this bubble, including the laws of time and physics, anything or anyone outside of the bubble would see time as being a linear line, the beginning of everything and the point of where it all ends, because the line cannot extend beyond the bubble. When you draw a straight line on a piece of paper, your pen starts at the beginning of your line. And when you take the pen off the paper, this is the end of your line. The paper is the bubble we call the universe in this example. So an interesting question is, does life begin on a straight line of paper we call the universe? Does it finish at the end of the expansion of the universe? Or do the laws of time and existence extend beyond the piece of paper we call our universe? This question will never be explained by man. We are a part of the universe and a part of the laws of time. Unless you find a way around time with your consciousness to send back proof to the people on Earth, we will never know about what's behind the laws of time. Even if you were a ghost or some form of life we would call a supernatural being. So what does science say about time? Science tells us the universe is billions of years old, but the universe must also have a beginning and end. Your life would be a split millisecond on the scale of time in the universe. Everything the laws of time and physics tells us lets us know everyday life, including yours and mine, is experiencing some form of a point A, the beginning, and a point B, the end. Every day, every month, and every year, something or someone is created and destroyed. Were you around for the beginning of time? Will you be around for the end of time? Probably not. What is interesting is how our brains as humans think of everyday life. The everyday now, living in the present. We usually think of a better future for ourselves, and we reflect on our past. But what most people fail to figure out is that you are only ever going to experience the present. Your problems in the future don't exist until you're experiencing them in the now. And your problems in the past won't ever exist again because you cannot experience them twice. So when you wake up tomorrow, and your focus is on how you can live a better future, remember this: you will only ever experience the present, so be happy with what you have now at all times. You should do this so you never become a prisoner of your own forward thinking, thus resulting in no regrets of your past. If you're happy now, you will be happy in the future, and happy in your past.